Okay, so welcome back. Today we're just going to install some parts that we just got in. Real nice. We are going to install these as well. This is for like the camber. Going to get these on. Yes, if you realize I know how the tires are. If you see how the tires are, I want to straighten that up a bit. So we got these for the camber that we can adjust. So we're just going to put them on, adjust up, and see how it looks from there. Okay, so just got the car and jack stands and to kind of assess what's going on. As I told you before, I got these aftermarket. This is basically for the camber, and then just realizing that we have some poly bushing in, and we got to change this crossbar down here to the aftermarket one. So let's get into it and see how it works. Okay, so just got this side done. Looks really good. Just have to adjust these. Put the tire on, adjust. This is what we take off. This is the factory one. Still not too bad, but performance is the way. Alright, so just doing some suspension work today. Going to adjust up now and see how the wheels are.